If you are under the age of 18 and watching this video, please stop now. This video content is not intended for you. Hi everyone, it's Veronica and I am here to share with you the V.A.S.T Christmas Box Challenge unboxing. And V.A.S.T stands for Veronica, Audrey, Cheryl, and Tamika. The four of us are participating in a challenge where we're using this PapercraftSociety box and creating projects, anything that we choose to create. So I wanted to share with you what is in the box and what the challenge is. All right, so let's go through the box first, but I love how this box is so festive. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And here, this is Helen Griffin. I'm over the moon to bring you this Christmas crafting box to play with. And inside the box, we have this packet, and we also have this one. So, let us start with what's in this packet. And I am going to just adjust my camera just a little bit. All right, so you see here, Simply Made Crafts by Helen Griffin. And this is the contents of this packet. All right, so you see it's a trifold. And here are dies. There's a nutcracker, a cracker box, Christmas tree. This looks like mistletoe right here, bows, holly, ballerina. So all of this is reminiscent of the nutcracker, I'm sure. So those are the dies that we get to use. And here are some stamps, and some of them are coordinating. As you see, here's a ballerina, and here's the nutcracker. A couple of sentiments. All right. And on the other side, we have some papers. So let's look at those. These are really cute. So it's two sheets. Ooh, that's pretty. That is very pretty. So these are the pattern papers. And this, oh, these are some cards. Okay, cool. Has some foiling. All right. And some sentiments on it. And then this these are riddles. What do you get if you cross Santa Claus with a detective? Santa Clues. So I guess you can create a game with this probably. That's funny. Okay, so those are the papers that are in the trifold, all the contents of the trifold. Dies, stamps, and pattern paper. And then this one, I've never had a PapercraftSociety box, and Audrey blessed all of us with one. So that was pretty cool. All right, let's see here. Loving this red tissue paper. All right, so we have some ink. Well, an ink pad, let me say that. Glitter. That's a pretty color. Let me adjust again to make sure you can see the color. That's pretty. Some bells, of course, at Christmas. Some ribbon. these are the cracker pulls. And a touch of sparkle to make Christmas magical. Oh, and this is how to make the cracker. Cool, because I just did not know. Okay. This is really going to be a challenge for me, y'all. And this is coordinating cardstock. So we have, take that off since I will be using it. We have this red, so it's 2 sheets. Blue. This is kind of a purple. And this green. And this is like a beige or an ecru. Okay. All right. So you can tell I really hadn't been through this box. And this is Helen herself. So this is, oh, and this is PapercraftSociety box number 13. In case you're interested, this is number 13. So this is an inspiration booklet. Cool. Thank you, man. All right, and I say that like that because the challenge, ooh, look how cute those are. The challenge is that in addition to using the contents of the box, which you see all of that here, we can use other basic supplies such as cardstock, adhesives, and liquid bling. And the liquid bling would be like stickles, glitter pens, inks, your Wink of Stella marker, and only 3 extra stash items are allowed. Now, let's think about that. If you have been following me for any length of time, you know I can pull out a boatload of stuff when it comes to crafting. So why in the world would I agree to this? I was obviously not thinking at the time, just so excited to get the box and like, hey, yeah, let's all do this. Okay. And Cheryl, Audrey, and Tamika do challenges all the time. So when this came about and I got a box, it was like, do you want to join us? Again, not thinking, because 3 extra stash items. Now, this is truly a challenge for me, and this is going to stretch me. So we shall see what happens. All right. What you need to remember is that we're going to upload our projects this Saturday, the 12th, at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please join us when we share our creations. I'm going to go ahead and put links to all of their channels in the description box so that you can go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to them, because you don't want to miss the videos on Saturday. And you don't want to miss any future videos that they do. So check the description box for their links. All right. I will see you all on Saturday. Happy crafting.